Hey guys, it's Luke here. So today I wanted to talk about tripods. And a lot of you guys have been asking me which tripod do I use? I know there's a bunch of tripods to choose from in the market, starting with tripods such as this. They're really easy to set up, right? You just go like this and you're done, but they're not that sturdy and they don't last too long. I've probably gone through like 3 or 4 of these within a year. If you go into the ocean and put one of these down, they rust or they break really easily. So I eventually moved my way to aluminum tripods, such as this one. And tripods like this are great, but they're really heavy, right? They're good for heavy duty situations, even though they're labeled as travel tripods. But they weigh around 4 pounds, even 5 pounds sometimes. And they can be a really big hassle to carry, especially on road trips or long hikes. You know how even if you have an extra pound, it can feel like so much weight when you're on that 5th or 6th mile. Eventually, I wanted something lighter for my bag. What I was looking for in a tripod is lightweight, durability, and stability. Those 3 factors are what makes a travel tripod good to me. So I opted for this tripod. This is a AM225 by Surui, and I really like this tripod, but it was just too long to fit in my bag. It's really lightweight, it's around 2 pounds. But it's just really hard to get into my bag since my bag has a tripod holder on its bottom, and it would just hit people and then people just get really annoyed by that. Eventually I got this tripod from K&F Concept. This is the B210, and this is not in production anymore, but I really love this tripod. This has been my favorite tripod in the last year. And the reason why is because it's so light, it's portable, it's compact, it's been pretty durable for me, and it's stable enough for most conditions. However, there are a few drawbacks that I wanted to point out with this tripod. So the first one being the ball head. The ball head wasn't very sturdy, so I actually replaced it with the Surui ball head. And this ball head's okay, but it does the job, but for heavier lenses, it still moves around a little bit. Also, the center column is not the sturdiest. Sometimes when you have it like this, when you have all the legs extended, it moves a little bit. Same thing if you extend the middle column right here, it kind of moves a little bit. So it's not super sturdy, it's sturdy enough for my needs, but I really appreciate how it's lightweight. It's only like 2.1 pounds, 2 pounds, around there. So it's really nice to have in your bag, and it folds very nicely as well. Another thing is that the legs also move around a lot. Even though I tightened to the max, they still kind of move around, and it's kind of annoying to set up sometimes. Sometimes in the wind, it will clap against each other like that, and it makes it really hard to set up. Yeah, so the B210 tripod has been my go-to tripod for the last year or so. I actually recently discovered that they updated this tripod, and it's called the BA225. So K&F actually sent me their new updated tripod, and I'm very impressed with what I see so far. I can really feel that this tripod is quality. Everything that I mentioned in the B210 has been updated, such as the stability of the center column and even the stability of the legs and the ball head as well. So once again, what I look for in a travel tripod is that it's lightweight, durable, and stable. So here it is right now with me. It has these new orange accents, and it has this new locking mechanism as well. All you have to do is press down and it locks in place. If you want to change it, you press on the bottom over here, and you can change the angle as well. The legs feel a lot more secure. You don't really see the movement anymore. It doesn't clap back, and even when you extend it, it's really nice. It feels very smooth, it's secure, right? It doesn't move anymore. Also, the center column right here, it's very stable. They did a good job with this. I don't know what they did, but it just feels so secure. It feels more secure than my aluminum tripod. And also the center column right here, it just feels great. The center middle column right here doesn't move at all. So I think this would be really good for long exposures. They have a new updated ball head. It's called the KF25. And as you can see, there's a lot more surface area on the ball head as well. So there's a bigger plate, and it's rounder as well. The ball is also bigger, and it's a lot more secure. So it'll lock in place a lot better, just like that. Overall, this tripod feels so much sturdier than any of the carbon fiber tripods that I've owned, and it only weighs 2.2 pounds. I think this is a travel tripod that will definitely last you very long, and it's very high quality. If you're interested in buying this tripod, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also use the code in the description for 10% off. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the tripod, leave it in the comments below. The specifications and everything will be on the site. Other than that, this is a great update, and thank you for watching.